gotta pop you up. Do it without you in it. Do it without you in it, dude.
Yeah, just like that.
No.
And that winch is.
That winch is high.
Watch my rear wheel.
Does it look like it's gonna pop up, Ricky?
Well, it hasn't moved yet.
Mark, do you want someone else to do the winch?
Jess, get out from behind it.
Don't get on that side.
Get out from there. Oh, ho!
Yep.
Don't cut it anymore. Right there.
Winch.
Hold on.
You sure? Maybe we should put a snatch block on that.
On what? There you go.
It's going.
Just use the winch.
You're good.
That'd be going though.
You're good.
Yeah, I know.
I got it.
You're good. It's gonna pop up. Go fast. Fast. Okay, stop. Good.
Stop. Hold on. Let's contemplate. Now we need the bridge.
Okay, now tighten up your winch just a hair. Good. Stop.
Okay, alright.
Let me see.
Okay, now is that gonna cave in?
No. I think you should just. I think you should just keep going.
Just drive right to the tree like you said, huh? No.
No, I think it should winch it. Winch it to the tree.
Drive it at all.
You don't want to put any power to the rear wheels.
Dude, I don't know.
Then the rocks flip,
Yeah.
and then he's gone.
Right. They're stable if you just roll over them, but if you put power to them, they're gonna move.
Right. So just winch it the rest
Now
of the
we
way.
need to move this.
You need to move this back here to the back.
Yeah, just winch it the rest of the way.
I could probably just pull out all the power out of that shit.
We want that bridge to stay intact.
Mark, I almost think you need to cut it as far as you can
Left?
to the left.
Let me look at it from the front. Oh, absolutely.
All the way to the left.
Yeah.
It's gonna
No, but then it'll pop out by
that
then.
winch.
It'll pop out by then.
Okay, Jess, you get in. I'm gonna winch it.
Prospect
Dude,
time.
just winch it
Yeah.
from
What's that?
outside of it. As long as that winch is pulling you, you're good.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
just
but I think
winch
you
it
should.
like
You
this.
think you should cut it all the way?
That
because
winch
what you
is
don't
gonna
wanna
hold
do
the
is-
vehicle, even if it slips off.
Yeah, I gotta cut
Yeah,
it.
even if the tail slips back, it's still gonna pull you up.
You gotta just keep holding the winch though.
I'm gonna winch.
Yeah, and make sure you hit the forward. Don't hit the reverse.
Put it in neutral. You gotta put it in neutral. No gear. No gear.
Don't
If you
get in
panic,
gas.
if you panic,
What is turn?
Straight. Make sure you're in.
Jess, come over here and grab me if I'm gonna go flat.
You have to be in drive.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, drive and brake.
Neutral.
oh, it's pulling.
You're good. You're still. Well, I'll tell you what. You're not on the rock pile yet. Okay, you're on.
Nice and easy.
Drive it. Go.
Keep going.
Stop.
Go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go.
Fix the floor mat.
Forget the floor mat. Let's
No. We got it. Hold on. He's good. He's good.
possible place. You give the shoe bike cable.
I do. My truck can fucking fall off without a cable.
It ain't gonna rip the cable. You only gotta go another 3 feet.
Cut it right, Ricky?
Cut it right.
No.
Go to the wall.
Just get. You got to go 12 inches. You're fine.
Then keep it straight.
Hold on, am I going straight or left?
Keep it right where it's at. Keep going. Done.
I know.
No, it was nothing.